In this video, we will talk about function of management. Management is a dynamic process consisting of various elements and activities. These activities are different from operative functions like marketing, finance, purchase, etc. Rather, these activities are common to each and every manager irrespective of his level or status. Different experts have classified functions of management, but the most accepted functions of management are given by Kunz and O'Donnell. According to them, management process involves planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. For theoretical purposes, it may be convenient to separate the function of management, but practically these functions are overlapping in nature. That is, they are highly inseparable. Each function blends into the other and each affects the performance of others. Planning. According to Kunz, planning is deciding in advance what to do, when to do, and how to do. It bridges the gap from where we are and where we want to be. A plan is a future course of actions. It is an exercise in problem solving and decision making. Planning is determination of courses of action to achieve desired goals. Organizing. It is the process of bringing together physical, financial, and human resources and developing productive relationships amongst them for achievement of organizational goals. Organizing as a process involves identification of activities, classification of grouping of activities, assignment of duties, delegation of authority, and creation of responsibility, coordinating authority and responsibility relationships. Staffing. It is the function of manning the organization structure and keeping it manned. The main purpose of staffing is to put right man on right job. That is, square pegs in square holes and round pegs in round holes. Managerial function of staffing involves manning the organization structure through proper and effective selection, appraisal, and development of personnel to fill the roles designed on the structure. Staffing involves manpower planning, recruitment, selection and placement, training and development, remuneration, performance appraisal, promotions and transfer. Directing. It is that part of function which actuates the organizational methods to work efficiently for achievement of organizational purposes. It is considered as life spark of enterprise, which sets it in motion by the action of people. Directing involves supervision, motivation, leadership, communications. Supervision. It implies overseeing the work of subordinates by their superiors. It is the act of watching and directing work and workers. Motivation. It means inspiring, stimulating, or encouraging the subordinates with zeal to work. Positive, negative, monetary, non-monetary incentives may be used for their purpose. Leadership. It may be defined as a process by which manager guides and influences the work of subordinates in desired direction. Communications. It is the process of passing information, experience, opinion, etc. from one person to another. It is a bridge of understanding. Controlling. It implies measurement of accomplishment against the standards and correction of deviation before they actually occur. Controlling involves following steps: establishment of standard performance, measurement of actual performance, comparison of actual performance with the standards and finding out deviation if any, and corrective action. Thank you.